volcanoes. Hello everyone, and welcome to the 33rd episode of our English learning series. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and amazing forces on our planet. We are going to learn about volcanoes. What is a volcano? To understand a volcano, we must travel deep under the Earth's surface. Deep inside the Earth, it is so hot that even solid rock melts. This hot, liquid rock is called magma. This magma is very hot and lighter than the solid rock around it, so it slowly rises toward the surface. When this magma finds an opening or a vent in the Earth's surface, it comes out. As soon as this hot rock comes out onto the surface, we give it a new name. We call it lava. A volcano is the opening that lets this hot magma and lava escape. How do volcanoes erupt? An eruption is when the magma, gas, and ash come out of the volcano. Not all volcanoes erupt in the same way. Some volcanoes are very violent and explosive. They can explode suddenly with a very loud sound. They throw huge rocks, hot ash, and gas for many miles into the sky. Other volcanoes are quieter. They do not explode. Instead, they push the lava out slowly. This hot, red lava flows away from the volcano like a very thick, slow-moving river. As this lava flows, it burns everything in its path. After some time, the lava cools down and becomes hard, solid, black rock. This new rock can build new land. Some volcanoes release clouds of poisonous gas or huge dark clouds of ash. This ash can cover towns and cities, block the sun, and make it difficult to breathe. Volcanoes can even do all these things underwater, deep in the ocean. Most volcanoes have been around for a very long time. Not all of them are dangerous right now. Scientists put volcanoes into 3 groups. Active volcanoes. These are volcanoes that have erupted recently, or they show signs that they might erupt soon. Dormant volcanoes. These are sleeping volcanoes. They have not erupted in a long time, but they have the potential to wake up and erupt again in the future. Extinct volcanoes. These are dead volcanoes. They have cooled off and have not erupted for thousands of years. Scientists believe they will not erupt ever again. Let's talk about a very famous sleeping volcano that woke up. Its name is Mount Vesuvius, and it is in Italy. This volcano slept for 1,000 years. People were not afraid of it. They built cities near the mountain. One of these cities was called Pompeii. But one day, in the year AD 79, Mount Vesuvius suddenly woke up. It erupted with a huge, violent explosion. It spewed hot ash and rocky fragments that fell from the sky like rain. This hot ash and mud completely buried the city of Pompeii and the nearby town of Herculaneum. the cities disappeared under the ash for many, many years. A long time later, scientists began to dig in that area. They found the lost city of Pompeii. The ash had preserved everything perfectly, like a photograph of that exact moment. They found houses, temples, and streets. They even found loaves of bread that were still in the ovens, baking at the moment the volcano erupted. These amazing discoveries marked the beginning of the modern science of archaeology, which is the study of human history by digging up old objects and buildings. So, are volcanoes only destructive and dangerous? Not always. Volcanoes can also be creative. They can build new land. When a volcano erupts underwater, the lava cools and hardens. With every new eruption, the pile of rock gets bigger and bigger. Over millions of years, this pile can grow so tall that it rises above the ocean and becomes a new island. The beautiful Hawaiian Islands in the Pacific Ocean were created this way. The country of Iceland was also built by volcanoes. Volcanoes can also help people in other ways. They can provide heat and energy. In places like Iceland, many homes get their hot water from natural hot springs. These springs are heated by the volcanic steam deep inside the earth. This steam can also be used to produce clean electricity. This is called geothermal energy. The soil near volcanoes is also very special. The ash from a volcano is full of minerals. This makes the soil very rich and fertile. Plants, flowers, and food crops grow very well in this dark, volcanic soil. Finally, volcanoes can also bring valuable things to the surface. Sometimes, valuable gems, such as beautiful diamonds, can be found in the rocks that volcanoes spit out from deep within the earth. In conclusion, volcanoes are one of nature's most powerful forces. They show us how hot and active the inside of our planet is. They can be very dangerous and destructive, as the story of Pompeii shows us. But they can also be creative and helpful. They build new islands, create rich soil for farming, and give us heat and energy. Volcanoes are a truly fascinating and important part of our planet Earth.